Stop. Let me ask you something very honestly. How many hours have you studied for the CISSP exam and still walked out thinking, what just happened? You read every book, you did thousands of practice questions. Technically, you know your stuff. But here is the truth. CISSP is not testing what you can fix, it's testing how you think. Most cybersecurity professionals read a question and immediately jump to the technical solution. But the exam is asking something else. What reduce risk first? What aligns with governance? What protects the business long term? What would management approve? That's the shift. CISSP is about strategic thinking. It's all about seeing all 8 domains as one connected security framework, not a separate topic. In my certification program, I help you train the mindset. I will show you how to approach adaptive question strategically, how to eliminate wrong answer with clarity, how to think like a chief information security officer and not just a technical expert. If you have 5 years in cybersecurity or 10 in IT, you already have the base. What you need to know is the right perspective. Once you shift from technical reaction to leadership thinking, the exam start making sense. So the real question is not whether you can pass, it's something, are you ready to think differently? If yes, enroll now. Make the next CISSP attempt your last. Let's prepare the right way. My name is Deb and I will see you there.